stopped in an air-conditioned shop. It is smoking outside, very humid. Nice breeze, but if you're not in a breeze, it's hot. And Aaron, what'd you get, baby? What's in your hand? Is that a ducky? Daddy said only one.
Well, one's gonna be from Grandma and Grandpa, because he can spend his money from Grandma and Grandpa.
Pick one, buddy. Or pick two. What color? Get two different ones. Red and blue. Good. Wow. Right up his alley. What'd you get?
Yeah.
What's that? What's that in your hand? A ducky?
Yeah.
No? I come up to the stroller and this is what I find. Aaron's hoarding the fishes. Giant bird cage coming up. What do you think, baby? Wanna go? Alright, and we're going into the bird cage. This is gonna get interesting. Oh! Whoa, flying all over. I don't think they ever let us in here before. At least I don't remember. Look, baby. Look, baby. See the birdie?
Well, hold it.
Hold it nicely, buddy. Hold it nicely. Hold it still, buddy. Hold it still. Don't move too much. Hold it in one place. They're afraid of him. You're moving it too much, buddy. You gotta hold it still. Just sit still. There it is. Good job, buddy. That's the way to do it. Can you try that, Talon? You want to try that? That's cool. You see that, baby? See the bird up there? Look, Talon, you want to do this?
Doesn't want it.
You're not hungry.
There you go.
Alright, baby's turn. Here. Try it, baby. She pokes him. Let's try this one, baby. Let's give it to this yellow one. Let's see if he wants it. Give it nicely, baby. Put your hand out there. Give it nicely. No, you're afraid? I'll give it a shot. There we go. See? See? He wants it too. Share, guys, share. I'm doing it. Woo. Give it another try. Oh, oh boy! A bird's on her head. That was freaky. Alright, they need us out. Let's go. That bird's gonna go to sleep now. Not so interested in the penguins. You see a doggy? She's playing with the garbage can like it's a real dolphin. Go play with the dolphin, babe. What is that? What is that, baby? Are you afraid of it now? Yes, let me know. Are you all done? Yes. Where do you want to go? You want to play with this? Press the button. Tell me that's just not an awesome sight. I mean, look at that beautiful island view. I know we're gonna try to get to Kailua area. Just have some lunch out there. Maybe some Vietnamese or Teddy's Burger.